Hi! Welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. So, for this video, gawin natin ang special reading ang mga tao po na may Sun, Moon, and Rising sign na Capricorn. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Now, kung di mo alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, at Rising sign mo kasi importante to, sa end of the video, we have a link para pwede mo mapanood. Keep in mind that the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And also, kung gusto nyong magpa-schedule ng private readings or spellworks or even donate using GCash or Maya, the details are in the description. And you can also use the thanks button sa baba. So, gamit natin si Guardians of the Light Tarot and the Oracle of the Celestial Ladies. So, ano ba yung cards mo dito? So, Capricorn, we have here is the Nine of Pentacles. Ito. Four of Pentacles. Tsaka si Five of Wands. And your celestial deity is the card of the moon. So, number 2, emotions, instinct, and a wish to protect. Okay, so ano bang message sa'yo, Capricorn? So, Capricorn, andun kasi na na this is with regards to your finances eh. Medyo papunta siya dito. So, the cards are saying na it is a good time right now to really take hold of your finances. Alamin mo yung mga ins and outs. Pero literal, medyo magiging parang accountant muna tayo for the time being. Andoon na kailangan mong i-double check lahat ng mga pasok at labas ng pera. Even do sa pinakahuling sentimo. Why? This is like a Japanese, Japanese thing yung ginagawa nila. And yung ginagawa nila, nagle-ledger sila. And they found out that because of this practice, nakasave sila up to 30% of their income. Kasi nakikita nila yung mga dapat hindi pagkagastusan, ano yung dapat paglaanan, and ano yung dapat mga i-cut off ng mga unwanted or unnecessary mga purchases. Now, this will help you kasi may part dito na you will be needing this money very soon for a certain investment. Hindi ko alam kung investment ba to in terms of a new learning, or maybe a property, or something na may importante along the way. But this money na maiipon mo, it will be used as an emergency fund eh. It could be a movement na gagawin mo. It's a big thing eh. So, as early as now, pinapala sa'yo ng cards na kailangan mo ng magsubi. Yan yung pinaka-term natin. Magsubi na tayo kasi you will be surprised na habang tinatabi mo siya, bilang out of the blue, bam! Darating na lang yung kailangan mong magkagasusan. And andoon na you will be fully prepared kasi hindi mo na kailangan, yun nga, naging term sa inyo eh, yung mga iba sa inyo, na yung naging process is nag-uutang kayo. So, maiiwasan na natin to. And at the same time, you will be able to use this money as well to lessen pa yung mga ibang kailangan bayaran, which will ultimately help you na mas makahinga ng mas maayos at magkaroon ka ng more on the financial freedom, which is yung target mo ngayon. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. So, maraming salamat, Capricorn. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And I hope to see you sa mga next videos natin. From Baguio City, I hope magkita tayo. Kasama ko si Mickey Noodles. You have a great day. Bye for now.